Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore another luxury car company related to Mercedes, just like Brabus. If you haven't seen that yet, go and check it out. Today's luxury pick is Maybach. We'll talk about how it became a sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz and what makes it compete with Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Captivating the hearts of automotive enthusiasts, let's discover famous names it has attracted. Let's get started with the video. The illustrious journey of Maybach. Maybach, founded in 1909 by Wilhelm Maybach and his son Karl Maybach, originated in Germany and initially focused on producing high-end luxury automobiles and engines. The brand gained a reputation for building exceptionally luxurious cars favoured by wealthy individuals and dignitaries. They produced notable models such as the Maybach W3 in 1921, their first ever model, and the powerful Maybach DS8 Zeppelin in 1932. Maybach's production ceased during the 1940s due to the impact of World War II. However, the brand was later received under the ownership of Daimler AG, the parent company of Mercedes-Benz. How Maybach and Mercedes-Benz joined forces to redefine automotive opulence. Maybach models often feature cutting-edge technology, lavish interiors, and high-performance engines. They are renowned for their exceptional comfort and attention to detail, offering a chauffeur-driven experience. In the late 20th century, Maybach became a sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz through a series of developments. In 1960, Maybach Motorenbauer GmbH merged with Mercedes-Benz, establishing the Mercedes-Benz Motorenbauer Friedrichshafen division. After years of dormancy, Daimler AG acquired the Maybach brand in 1997 with the intention of revitalizing it as a luxury car brand. Instead of complete separation, Maybach was positioned as a sub-brand within Mercedes-Benz, benefiting from its reputation and resources. Maybach models, such as the Maybach 57 and 62, introduced in 2002, showcased cutting-edge technology and offered unparalleled luxury, targeting customers seeking a chauffeur-driven experience. Although Maybach as an independent brand was discontinued in 2013, it continues as a distinguished sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz, representing the pinnacle of luxury and refinement. The captivating lineup of Maybach models. Although Maybach may have been producing cars for a very long time, here are some of the more prominent Maybach models. Maybach 57 and 62. These were the first models introduced when Maybach was revived as a brand in 2002. The Maybach 57 was a luxury sedan, while the Maybach 62 was an extended wheelbase version. Both models featured opulent interiors, advanced technology, and powerful engines. Maybach Landaulet. This was a limited production variant of the Maybach 62. The Landaulet featured a retractable roof for the rear passenger compartment, offering a unique open-air experience for those seated in the back. Maybach Excelero. A one-off concept car created in 2004, the Excelero showcased Maybach's design and engineering capabilities. It featured a striking, low-slung coupe body style and a twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering exceptional performance. Mercedes Maybach S-Class. After Maybach transitioned into a sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz, the Mercedes Maybach S7 class models were introduced. These are ultra-luxury versions of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, offering enhanced comfort, refined design elements, and state-of-the-art technology. Mercedes Maybach GLS. The Mercedes Maybach GLS is a luxurious SUV based on the Mercedes-Benz GLS class. It combines the spaciousness and versatility of an SUV with the high-end features and comfort associated with the Maybach brand. Maybach models typically command premium price tags. with prices ranging from around $200,000 for the entry-level Mercedes Maybach S-Class to over $1 million for exclusive limited edition models like the Maybach Excelero. Fascinating facts about Maybach. Here are some facts that highlight Maybach's legacy of luxury, craftsmanship, performance, and its collaborative relationship with Mercedes-Benz. The Maybach logo features a double M, symbolizing the partnership between Maybach and Mercedes-Benz. Maybach engines powered the luxurious Zeppelin airships from the early 20th century, showcasing the brand's engineering prowess beyond the automotive industry. Maybach has produced limited edition models, such as the Maybach Excelero concept car, which was commissioned by Fulda Tires for high-speed tire testing and gained fame as a symbol of extravagance. Excelero is the most expensive car produced by Maybach for a price of $8 million. It's luxury sports car with V12 engine and 700 horsepower. Maybach makes cars with solar roofs that power the air conditioning by producing 63 kilowatts in models 57 and 62. They have 30 panels for the solar roof. Maybach vehicles are designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and luxury, particularly for rear seat passengers. They offer an exceptional chauffeur-driven experience with features like reclining seats, advanced climate control, and extensive entertainment options. The Mercedes Maybach S-Class is a prime example of Maybach's luxurious offerings. Besides that, all of its variants have a four-wheel drive option. With the twin-turbo V8 engine, it can achieve 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds. Maybach is the main competitor to Rolls-Royce and Bentley, which puts it in the luxury category. Celebrities who own a Maybach. It's no secret that celebrities love to drive nice cars. Many famous people own a model of every luxury vehicle. Rihanna owns a Maybach and raps about the car in her song, Hard. She is lucky to have a Maybach because, as of 2013, the line of cars has been discontinued. Under 50 Maybachs were sold in the United States in 2011. Jay-Z has been known to own a Maybach Excelero, an ultra-luxurious and limited edition Maybach model. P. Diddy bought his son Justin an $8 million Maybach Excelero for his 16th birthday. The American rapper Birdman has been seen with a Maybach Landaulet, a rare and highly coveted convertible Maybach model. Floyd Mayweather Jr. also owns a Maybach 62. Amongst the actors, Will and Jaden Smith own the same model as well. Jay Leno, Samuel L. Jackson, and even director Woody Allen have also been seen driving around New York in a black Maybach. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the opulent world of Maybach. Discover more fascinating facts and cultivating stories about automotive luxury by subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content that will indulge your passion for exceptional craftsmanship and ultimate prestige. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a luxurious update.